Fukuoka, Japan Travel Guide. Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Before we dive into the rich history and vibrant culture of Fukuoka, Japan, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel stories and tips from around the world. Now, let's embark on our journey to Fukuoka. Our journey begins in the bustling city of Fukuoka, nestled on the northern shore of Japan's Kyushu Island. Fukuoka's history is a tapestry of ancient traditions and modern innovations, a city that has always been a gateway to foreign cultures. The history of Fukuoka. This history is marked by a blend of cultural exchanges, military conflicts, and economic developments. Ancient times. Fukuoka's history dates back to ancient times, with archaeological evidence showing that the area was inhabited as early as the Jomon period, 14,000 to 300 BCE. The Yayoi period, 300 BCE, 300 CE, saw the introduction of rice cultivation and the establishment of more settled communities. During this era, Fukuoka began to emerge as a significant center of culture and trade. Early history and the influence of China and Korea. By the Kofun period, 300 to 538 CE, Fukuoka had developed into an important trading hub. Its proximity to the Korean peninsula and China made it a vital point of cultural and economic exchange. Chinese writing, Buddhism, and other cultural elements were introduced to Japan through Fukuoka, influencing the region significantly. World War II and post-war period. Fukuoka was heavily bombed during World War II, which resulted in significant destruction. However, the city quickly recovered in the post-war period, transforming into a vibrant, modern metropolis. Today, Fukuoka is known for its advanced infrastructure, thriving economy, and cultural heritage. Contemporary Fukuoka. In contemporary times, Fukuoka continues to be a vital cultural and economic hub. The city is renowned for its culinary scene, particularly Hakata ramen, and its lively festivals, such as the Hakata Gion Yamakasa. Fukuoka's strategic location continues to make it a gateway for international trade and cultural exchange, especially with neighboring Asian countries. Through the centuries, Fukuoka has evolved from a small settlement into a major city that seamlessly blends its historical heritage with modern advancements. Its history is a testament to its resilience and its pivotal role in Japan's cultural and economic development. Fukuoka is renowned for several aspects that make it a unique destination for tourists and residents alike. Here are some highlights. Hakata ramen. Fukuoka is famous for its Hakata ramen, a type of ramen characterized by its rich, creamy pork bone broth. It is a must-try dish when visiting the city. Traditional festivals. The city hosts numerous traditional festivals, with the Hakata Gion Yamakasa Festival in July being one of the most prominent. It features spectacular races with teams carrying massive floats. Historical landmarks. Fukuoka is home to many historical landmarks, such as Shifuku-ji Temple, the oldest Zen temple in Japan, and Kushida Shrine, which is central to the Hakata Festival. Parks and natural beauty. The city boasts beautiful parks like Ohori Park, providing a tranquil escape amidst nature, and Nokanashima Island, known for its stunning seasonal flower displays. Modern shopping centers. Fukuoka is home to modern shopping centers like Canal City Hakata, which combines shopping and entertainment with musical fountain shows. Yatai, food stalls. Fukuoka is famous for its yatai, or nighttime food stalls, where visitors can sample a variety of traditional Japanese dishes in a relaxed and casual atmosphere. Fukuoka Tower. This modern landmark offers panoramic views of the city and Hakata Bay, making it a popular spot for both tourists and locals. All these elements make Fukuoka an attractive destination that blends history, culture, delicious cuisine, and natural beauty. Once a vital trading port, Fukuoka has long been a melting pot of influences, from Chinese and Korean to Dutch and Portuguese. Walking through the city's historic Hakata district, you'll find remnants of its past, from the Kushida Shrine, where locals celebrate the vibrant Hakata Gion Yamakasa festival each July, to the serene Shifuku-ji, Japan's oldest Zen temple. But Fukuoka isn't just about its past. The city's skyline is a testament to its forward-thinking spirit. The Fukuoka Tower, a sleek, mirrored marvel, offers panoramic views of the city and the Hakata Bay. Just a stone's throw away, the bustling Canal City Hakata Mall, with its futuristic design and dynamic fountain shows, epitomizes modern Fukuoka's energy and innovation. Fukuoka's charm also lies in its natural beauty. The lush Ohori Park, with its expansive lake and tranquil gardens, provides a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Meanwhile, the nearby Nokonashima Island Park offers breathtaking floral displays that change with the seasons, from cherry blossoms in spring to cosmos in autumn. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Fukuoka, a city where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Leave a comment below about what you'd like to see next. Until our next adventure, happy travels!